Hi everyone, welcome once again to our online tutorial channel. Today in this particular video we will show you as to how to upload bulk users or multiple users if you are using our MailPush service. Now the MailPush service basically refers to the spam free service wherein you will get virus barricaded and junk email filtering outside your network. In our previous video we have shown you how to upload bulk user when you are using the mailbox service. Now today we'll move on to our MailPush service. So under MailPush you have the email functionality. We'll click on that and then it will bring out the page which will show you how many email IDs are already been added and what is the next thing that you can do. So here you can see the option which is called export CSV. Let's click on that. It will give you the list of email IDs which are already being added under your MailPush service. Let's check how it looks like. Alright, so this is this list of email IDs which are there under the MailPush service. So here you will get to see the spam free email ID name, the full name created on, status, redirection of your primary MX servers followed by your redirect of secondary MX server. So depending on this list I have created my next user list which I need to upload to my MailPush service. So here you can get to see there are 4 email IDs associated with the redirection of their primary MX record. So I want Amit C's email ID to redirect to my Mumbai branch location. As you know that MailPush does not provide you with a mailbox service, so you need to have an application or a postmaster for example wherein you can provide it with a mailbox service. So I want this particular email ID, Amitsi or Sadia or Trupti's email IDs to get their primary MX redirected to my this location, followed by the password and the first name. So this is my list that I'm going to upload for creating users under my MailPush service. So let's move back to our MailPush page. Here you have the option which is called manage via CSV. Under this option you will get to have 2 options which is called add via CSV or update via CSV. So we will go one by one. Let's click on add via CSV and upload the particular list that we have created. Alright, let's click on import CSV option. Once you click on that, it gives you this page which is asking for whether you want to put a password expiry duration for these below users. So I want to enable it and make it as 0. Then if you want to forcefully reset the password, you can enable the same. Then you have the redirection of your primary MX servers and your secondary MX server. So the primary MX server works at the very beginning if for any query or any problem happens related to your primary MX servers, it will redirect to your secondary MX server. Now this redirections of your primary MX servers and secondary can be done from here. So here you will get the settings. So if you just click here, you have to put in the IP address, that is MailPush service basically works with a static IP address. Then you have to put in the port and the server name, that is the location. Suppose I have got postmaster at 2 positions, Ahmedabad branch and you have a Mumbai branch, so I'll put in the name of such location. So let's click on redirect MX IPs. If you click here, this is the static IP associated with my postmaster which is there at the Mumbai branch. So the email ID which is being mapped to my Mumbai server name will receive the mail through this static IP itself. Let's go back to our mail serve. Now here you can by default select for the particular user, but I want my service to do it automatically. So for that, under the exclude option I'll select spam free email service. Then under the redirect primary MX server I will select this option. Then under the password I will select password and the full name. If you scroll to your right, these are the other options associated with your fields that you want to put in your Excel file. But these are the basic requirements that you need to do while you are trying to upload bulk users under the MailPush users. Now once this is done, I'll just click on submit and check. Alright, so he says that user count is 4, reject count is 1. Why? Because this was the name of my Excel sheet that I have created. So this was the name, so for this we got that error. Alright, so let's go back to our email section and check whether actually all the details got saved successfully or not. If if we come back to our Excel file, we had this user mapped to Mumbai and this user to Ahmedabad. Let's check. Alright, so this user has been mapped to Mumbai branch and Srupti also has been mapped to Ahmedabad branch. So this is how you can upload bulk users under your MailPush service. The next option that we have is how to update via CSV. So let's do the same. Come back to our Excel file. So this is the list that we will be uploading to update our records. Now these two users, Srupti and Mark, they have shifted to my Mumbai branch. So I'll just want their primary MX servers to come back to Mumbai branch. So I'll just save the file. Go back to my MailServe panel. Before doing that, I just want you to make sure that currently those two users are being mapped to my Ahmedabad branch. So you have Mark here and Srupti. Alright. Now I'll go to manage via CSV. Under select option, we will select update via CSV. It will ask for the file to get uploaded. Alright. Here I'll select, click on open and click on import CSV. Alright, so for the two users, I want this were the two users, it should get uploaded. So I select in spam free and the primary MX servers. You can, if you want to change the secondary MX servers as well, you can do it right from here itself. Alright, so I'll click on submit. Alright, so now we'll go back to our email ID section and just check whether the primary MX got saved for those two email IDs. Mark, alright, Mumbai, so Srupti also is being set to Mumbai branch. Let's cross verify. Alright, so this is how you can also update your MX servers, your update your multiple users under your MailPush service. So this is how you can get used to your adding of bulk users under the MailPush service. Another option which is there, which is called the add new spam free account, which basically helps you to add one by one individual accounts right into your MailPush service. So these are the details which it will ask from you. So you can set it over here. So this is how you can upload your bulk users under the MailPush service. In case if you need any other assistance, you can definitely write to us at support@qlc.in.